about activity, about the activity of human in HBUT with capacity maximum exercise. So I think it is very important to Indonesian Naval Medical Corps and Indonesian Naval Corps to understand about how using HBUT to increase the power. I say a power, not just only not just capacity, but a power of a Navy force. Number 61 in 2013 is the health effort is a special form to be applied to increase physical and mental capability due to adaptation. This is the underline, or the we must know, this is capacity to adaptation with the changing environment in the land, sea, and the air. Next slide. And we divide the underwater and undersea, as mentioned, is included diving health, sailing health and offshore, and health in operational task and military force in the sea. Okay, next slide. We just only to remind the basically about the energy. Human needs energy for physical and mental work. This source of energy comes from the basic reaction of glucose and oxygen, and the result is energy, carbon dioxide and water vapor. This energy is distributed into basal metabolic rate, energy for activity, daily uses, and processing food. Next slide. How we know about the parameter capacity of the human, especially for special Navy force or a Navy force? We have such as health status, sex, age, body size, nutritional status, equality, and skills. In health, we see or we use the indicator cardiovascular and respiration. In cardiovascular, we see about high risk, heart pulse, stroke volume, and pulse. And respiration, we see the skill and capacity FO2 max. Next slide. Principle of energy. The concept of physical capacity includes a sufficient oxygen supply for producing maximum energy, which means the increasing capacity of the lungs and hearts. Nowadays, people are not in good condition where the supply of oxygen is not maximum due to blood vessel problem. In this situation, hyperbaric therapy becomes one of the solution in which it can be dissolved gas into blood plasma, allowing the production of energy into maximum capacity. So it's mean from this explaining, but the environment of oxygen hyperbaric make dissolve of oxygen more faster and more higher to the organ vessel. Yeah. Next slide. Okay. Normoxia is known to be the state is which there is an adequate supply of oxygen in human tissue. In case of reduced oxygen supply to the tissue, the environment is said to be hypoxic. This is basically in about the normoxic, normobaric, and normoxic hypoxic. Normobaric, normoxic, and normobaric hypoxic. Next slide. The types of environment based on pressure. First is normobaric normoxic, normobaric hyperoxic, hyperbaric normoxic, and hyperbaric hyperoxic. For